can imitate really weird sounds. Like this. I can imitate Cookie Monster. Cookie Monster wants a cookie in the cookie jar! And I think I can imitate Chewbacca. And I can imitate a frog. and I can imitate a cat. I can imitate Ash Ketchum. You Pikachu! Oh yeah, I can imitate Donald Duck. Yo, what's up, dog?
The dude just died. And I can act more of a retard. And I can act like Mario. Luigi, we got to save the prince! I can act like Barry Bonds.
You kick up the leaves and the magic is lost.
Hello. Sorry for that little coincidence. I had to go and run up and get some steroids. I can act like a ninja. So see how that goes.